I've got a mystery box from Question Beauty. So if you want to get into this just like I do, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe's in the other room and Bandit, well, he flits in and out. Same with Dexter. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is a mystery box from Question Beauty. I don't know what's in here. I didn't even know what it was, so I opened it and I would go, oh, took a quick glance inside and said, oh, that's my mystery box. So I don't know what's in here, but I did see on the top that said Question Beauty. So here is your sneak peek. Let's get into this because I'm super excited. So right on top, this appears to be just like a puff, maybe a face cleaner, I'm not really sure. There's nothing to explain it, but this looks like one of those pads that you use to clean your face. I use these all the time, so happy to have that. Next, we have a pressed highlighter. And is there a shade? Let's see. It does not. Oh, Dewy Sunshine, it says on the front. Dewy Sunshine. So this has a gold flip, if you can kind of see that. Gorgeous. Next, we have some self-adhesive gems. Now we have 3 of these boxes. The top one is a gel primer. Cute little packaging there. And I'm going to guess that is for the eyes. Ooh, it's very jelly-like. Right, I just put some on. It goes on very light, like it's not tacky or sticky. I think that would be really good to make a color really pop, particularly if you wanted to get the most payout. This is the Silver Glow, Silken Glow Loose Pigment. This one here. So I'm guessing Silken Glow is the color. Again, we've got this. I'm going to put that right over that primer. Very pretty. And this is another loose powder in Silver Mirror. Okay, so again, got that nice little triangle shape. This has that little paper that came off, and you can see just how shimmery. All right, so this one actually goes on much lighter. So maybe you need the primer for that in order for it to show more. Next, we have a cream blush stick in the shade Berry Kiss. Ooh, definitely want to go light with that. Even buffed out, it's pretty intense with the color. It'd be a really pretty lip color though. Then we have a lip gloss in the shade True Hollow, H-O-L-O. Pretty.
Alexa, set an alarm for 20 minutes.
Put a little on. Does give a really pretty sparkle. Next we have a brush This looks to be a mascara in Celestial Silver. So they have a lot of fun color mascaras. Yes. And I mean, I do have mascara on. It's been on all day, so I don't know how well that's going to adhere. Yeah, you can't really see it over the mascara I have on. Then another one in Sapphire Sky. I kind of got from the edge there. And then one more in Sunlit Treasure. And that one, I put a little bit on my hand. It's not really coming out. There we go. I put a little dot on there. Then the last thing in here is not a palette. It is a black primer. So no palette. A little disappointing, I gotta say. Usually with these kind of mystery bundles, you are getting even a mini palette. But we did get 2 eye colors. We did get the kind of fun mascaras. So I guess we'll say it's okay. And a black primer is great for duochromes. It's going to really make that pop. And here's that silver over the black primer. So you definitely want to use primers with these loose pigments. And if you use the black, you see how much pigment you're going to get out of that. Oh, and you can also use this on your lips or your face. But it's good to know that, you know, if you were kind of going for kind of some kind of look where you wanted something to really pop, again, even on the lips, using that underneath something would really kind of bring out the shine in it. So this is a New Zealand owned company. They are plant-based and cruelty-free. And wanted to give them a try. So this was a great way to do it. Again, I do wish there had been even a mini palette, even like a quad or something to kind of try out their formula. But I still got some really neat things. I'm not mad about it. So let me know your thoughts. Would you have preferred to get a palette maybe instead of some loose pigment? I don't know, let me know. All right, well, that's all I have for now. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.